Hey, if you've got a big family or you like to entertain and host a lot of parties, this warming tray is going to be perfect for that. Now, I'm setting up for our Sunday afternoon meal here. The brand did send this to me, so I'm going to show you everything you need to know. Let's look up close. This is 40 inches long, 12 inches wide that way. All the controls on here are your analog controls. You've got a low, off, a high temp. There's your warming indicator. It is on. The high temp is going to go up to about 285 degrees. The low temp is going to go right around 150-ish, give or take. Love this gold edge on it. Being 40 inches long, look, we've got our potatoes, and I've actually got space in between these dishes. The great thing about this is I'm going to put tinfoil on this, and I'm just going to let it kind of be there and just heat up and sit throughout the day. And then everybody's going to come and just kind of pick through because everybody's on a different schedule today. So this setup is way better than having everything clutter up the stove, sitting on there all day long. It's messy. This is a much more clean. I have glass. You can sit multiple different types of pans and dishes on this. So if you've ever seen these warming trays out of like one of those warehouse stores or the big box stores, they don't look like this. They're shorter. They're more of a rectangle, kind of short. This is so long. So I'm loving the fact that you can get a ton of dishes on this at one time, especially if you're doing like big party or big family. Definitely check it out. I'm very happy with it. It works great. It looks great. That's my quick review, and thanks for watching.